So, the president will pass through this north area, north lounge, going up to the north main lobby. Hindi. Main lobby. Diyan pala kayo. Ito yung exit, pero natakpan na siya. Sarado, I think that will be closed. This is our surprise. It will be air conditioned. So, hindi na po mainit para dun sa sauna, during the sauna. So, this is the mirror image also of the south lobby. So, yan po yung pinakabago na feature namin this sauna 2024.
Cocktails.
So, the cocktails will be on the other side. Yes. So, dito po yung north entrance ng mga guests ng OP. Yes, so, dito sila. On the other side, the Senate guests and the speaker's guests. Guests. So, nabawasan po ito ng 60. That's why we have to make do of what is available and we have to maximize the seating for the former House members. We used to sit here, the kabsek kasi. But now, we cannot accommodate all of them. So, they are given seats on that side. Cabinet secretaries. So, the families of the leaders, the three leaders, will be seated here. And then, the diplomatic corps and some members of the cabinet. So, yun po yun. So from the entry,
President.
yeah, the president will pass through the main aisle.
Saan si Speaker at si Senator?
Doon
na.
But once you announce the entry of the president, bababa po sila dito sa lower room.
We welcome si
Apo. So from the rose room, dito po kayo sa lower rose room dapat. Secretary.
Saan dito?
Secretary and Secretary, doon po kayo.
Ako si Speaker.
So doon po.
Ayun si John ang taas.
Ako si Speaker.
Doon po, sir. Sir, hindi po, dito po sa side, sir. Dito.
Secretary, yung Senate.
Sir, dyan po sa wall, dyan.
Kanyari ko SP.
To give the sauna, to deliver the sauna, dito po yung daan sa baba. Dito, maiwan yung dalawa. Maiwan yung dalawa. You will have to go down. Yan. To this. Here. The podium will be here. So, you deliver the message. The president will deliver the message. So, dito po, ang papasok na lang si Senate President and the Speaker and the President. Because the first family will be here first. Dito na sila usually dinadaan yes, sa secret door. Dinadaan na, para mauna sila dito kay Presidente. So, this is it. And then, unless the President would like to go to the South Wing lobby to greet diplomatic and guests.
Yung sa lobby.
Kasi walang makakalabas, walang movement hanggang nandito si Presidente. So, nandun pa sila. Hindi sila palalabasin. So, pwede sila.
So yung mga diplomatic corps, saka guests, pupunta na sa South Lobby.
For the reception, sir. Yung
For the
cocktails po.
reception. Tapos, the President may opt to go there, meet with them, or
Exit na.
exit na. Pwede na.
Sir, ready ba yun? Tumutulong.
Ma-address lahat yan. Okay?
Address.
Oo.
Sir, sino po kakanta ng Lupang Hinirang?
Hindi ba na-announce na? Nasaan yung taga-office of the President?
Bini ba, sir?
Bini.
Hindi Bini.
Fake news yun.
Pero, Jen, kamusta na po security natin? Kasi
Everything all set.
wala na pong problems.
Wala nang
Sir,
problema.
malayo man to ha. Pero what happened to former President Donald Trump? Mag-iiting pa ba tayo ng
Hindi,
security?
wala. Addition. Everything all set, all ready. Okay? Thank you.